Hey y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a master. This is the 140 version. Let's see if we can't rip this apart real quick. So, you know what I found with these is that it's all about the sequencing of them. And finding the right sequence for them. And there we go. As you can see, pretty easy with the Master 140s. Let's make sure that the key works, just to show you that this is a functioning master lock. And there we go. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and don't be a master lock 140.
Recent years were unsung. I lit 'em up, burning my horoscope.